Hi guys, it's me Grace. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I'm doing a mail time, a piggy bank opening, and a magazine opening, and I am on the phone to Bethany. Say hi.
Hi.
Yes, that's her. So let's start off with my piggy bank. Ooh, look how much fame! Yes. Okay, just gonna open it. I'm level 18, guys, as you see. Ooh. Now, I'm going to do my magazine because I want to save my mail time for last. So I have 7 autographs in this, and then I've received 32 in that. So let's open the little baby one first. Let's get this one. This is lagging a lot from the fame. I know it's not like all the YouTubers with so much fame, but still quite a lot of fame. Oh, I was here. Started video and got me down a lot. So I'm going to go into the gifts. So guys, I did do my status a little bit. So here are my gifts, and I'm going to give a shout out to each of these people. So shout out to Elle the elephant 123. She gave me 3 gifts. Shout out to Leopard Girl 123, which actually that's Bethany that's on the phone right now. She gave 5 gifts. Shout out to Rare Grace 233, and shout out to XX and Cosars XX. So let's go from the start newest. Okay, I'm scared. What is this? Ah! Ooh, my alien break. Okay, it's nice. Nice colors anyway. Okay, it's pink gift. Is that rare? I don't know. Looks it. It looks pretty. Yes, I'm wearing everything I put on. Ready to work. Thanks, Beth. I like this. Oh, I need pants. Okay, what's this one? With sprinkles. Okay. A car. I can deal with that. Next one. First class. Trousers. Nice. Nice-o. Spaghetti-o. Smelly toes are. Okay. This one. Dark strings. Ooh la la. Immiha. Okay. Opened. Guys, the reason why I didn't post a normal day yesterday, which Saturdays I do mail times, is because I don't know, because I had no time, like I was out with my dad and all. Okay, Rare Grace. What did I get? Oh my god, another one of these. Oh, Rare Grace. I accidentally opened one of her gifts, and it was, wait, I'll show you at the end of the video what it actually was. She gave me 2 gifts, so I opened one by accident. Pink Soul. Okay. Oh, I didn't wear it. Sorry. Classy Traveler. Okay. Yes. Oh, this is my wish list. She's after buying my wish list. Thanks, Nicole. Okay. I'll go show something Rare Grace gave me, but by accident I opened it. It was really good. It's a diamond pack hair just without those little fuzzy things. Like, look, I'll show you wherever it is. Here. This is what she gave me. Yeah, she gave me that hair. So I'm really grateful for all these. I'm happy with them. Okay, I'm gonna make up my outfit. So smelly toe. Okay, just gonna get a nice outfit on. And yeah, guys, I do have a lot of rares. See, look guys, the hair that Rare Grace gave me, that's hair right there, just with little things. And that's in blonde. Yeah, guys, I did get a dime. I did get 1 year star VIP. Okay, I'm gonna take this hair. because it's beautiful. Go for my accessories. Yes, guys, I have winter cheeks. They're not that nice, but it's a nice thing though. Rena Beach. There we go. Shoes. White runners. I don't have that nice of stuff, guys, but can't you deal with it? They're like, yes, not the nicest, but they're quite nice. No, get that off me. Haha, that's not that nice. Where's all my knife? Google, Google. I guess I can wear that. Just for a change up. I didn't even know I was halfly looking like Nicole. Okay, that's weird. Okay, guys, make sure to subscribe. Make sure to hit the like button and notifications to become part of Notification Squad. And bye, guys.